Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how to remove objects from a picture. You can remove any picture objects from your picture. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show you in this video. So before you starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So first, come to the Google and type here online remove object, online remove unwanted object from photo. Okay, so you will find the lots of uh, we have website here, so you can use any. I just use this one, clear up picture. Now you have to upload the image from, click here, then you have to upload image. I just upload image. Okay, so okay, I take this image, so it is uploaded. Now I have to just click on this eraser, and now I can just select the object which I want to remove. Then it will be processed and it will be removed automatically. So let wait for 1 second, so it is removed. So remove again. If there anything left, you can remove like this. Okay, now after that you can, okay, it's also removed now. So now you can download this image from here and you can use it. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.